Welcome back to Scotty's Fishing Live. Tips and tricks for every species of fish. And please subscribe to my channel so you can share with all your mates. And hit the bell notification so you can go and catch your next species of fish. And remember to look for my special tip in this video. And hey guys, check out my other YouTube channel, The Hook and the Cook, with my good mate, Paul Braheny. And last time we fished here, Dad found a good brim in this little corner, and he looks like he's done it again. Right in hard against the edge of the pool. Look at that, eh? In Australian waters we have quite a few species of bream, and this is our yellow-finned bream. Beautiful silver fish with yellow fins, and a great table fish also. You'll find their distribution is from the middle of Queensland down into New South Wales and around in Victoria. You'll find these guys along our ocean beaches, rocky headlands and shallow coastal reefs, and they push into our bays and estuaries in big numbers. And many anglers for many years have targeted them in these areas. They feed on a wide range of baits and also live bait like small fish and prawns, and respond really well to lures like soft plastics and hard bodies, and will even take fly. These are a fantastic fish, and for many years anglers have cut their teeth fishing for bream. Well, that's about my third or fourth bait out here at Kurnell Point. I've just worked my way along from down further, and beautiful little silver bream taking on the prawn bait. He's legal, but I'm going to put him back today. I don't want to keep any fish to eat. Let me know when you got colour. We got any colour there yet? Good, look at that. It's a good brim, that one. Oh, look at that for a brim. Nice, and another brim there in the net.
That's a better fish.
Yeah, that's a nice brim, Carl.
Yep.
Yeah, real good brim, mate. Well done.
Thank you.
Nice fish.
Here's that brim that I just landed, just on a Gladiator Hip Baby 40. I've pimped this one, painted it black. It's only fairly shallow where we are, so we're just letting them dig right into the bottom. Slow rolling them. Brim are coming up and hitting them.
Beautiful brim, mate. Didn't take long, mate. You got a good fish on?
Yeah, what we've done this time is that we've changed now and used what they call the hidden weight system. How's that, Scotty, for a Port Hacken bream?
Hey, good bream, mate.
Hey?
Hey, he's a ripper.
What fish species will it be next week? Please subscribe and tune in. See you then. Cheers.